I've always appeared as someone who's nonchalant, but I then realized how damaging it is and how it's killing me. So I am expressive. I love expressing myself because
you're an actor.
Besides being an actor, and imali ayikho ke ku-acting. Ayikho ngacinga ikhona ayikho imali. Yabo. So and in as much as ikhona but incinci.
Okay.
You've got to understand yourself. You've got to know ukuba ngaba ungubani. Because once you enter industry for being famous, then you are on the wrong path. Because once you get there for being famous, you will have to maintain that lifestyle. So and that will lead you into being in debt.
School choirs, about like we are traveling,
yeah.
And people they fuck around dog with school choirs, ne? No, unfortunately. Choir is one of the most things that instill discipline in a person.
What kind of choirs were you with? Because
what are you looking for?
I'm looking for love. I'm looking for respect. I'm looking for competence financially. But no, man, I'm looking for a partner, best friend. Yeah, but I'm not looking.
Molweni, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome back to another episode of Utopia Unplugged, the podcast. I am your host with the most, Umlibo, and of course, Andiami Ndodwa, Umte is here. Umte, say hi to the peers.
Hi, before so for today, I'm behind the camera, just saying hi. Have a great day. Thank you.
Sisipo.
What's up, Zitandwa? It is your newly found fave. A whole babe reporting to you like a cutie because why not?
And yeah, today we are in the presence of Kumkani. You know him as Kumkani. Chief, welcome to the pod.
Thank you, Butindiabulela. Thank you, Sisi.
So, please, Bengali Utopians who are out there watching Ukutu Kumkani Bani, and what is it that you are doing for a living?
Ukumkani, Emihle Wabamjila. I'm an actor, a writer, director, and a qualified singer. That is what I do for a living.
I didn't know about your dog.
I do. I do.
And he doesn't talk like someone who knows how to sing.
But you can hear your voice, but
it doesn't sound like a singer's voice.
Ne? So
none on the spotlight, but that's something for another day.
Yes.
He can sing for us.
That's something for another day.
So, like, when did you start Ukula?
I started music at high school. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Choral. Yeah. Joined the school choir. Ever since, I never looked back up until now. Currently, I'm the chairperson of the duty choir.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, yeah.
I didn't know that.
This guy is big, ne?
It's been 2 seconds. But everything is mind blowing. Also, it did.
But like we bio he didn't mention anything about singing. He was quite an actor.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
True. That's true.
I only did that because I believe an actor encompasses longer as a trained actor, obviously. Yeah. If you're a trained actor, I believe you are able to encompass music, dancing, poetry, and writing, then acting on top of everything.
So, like, Kuku music, which genre do you fuck with, Klambi?
I'm more into Afropop.
Afropop, like Amapiano.
No, Berita.
Yes, Berita.
Oh.
Yeah. And the likes of Obongezwe Mabandla. Those are the
wow.
That is my kind of music. Bongezwe Mabandla, Mandi Sityanki, Jabulile Majol. An amazing guy.
High class.
No, because about thina like young generation sazi amapiano cups at a small London.
Yeah,
Then makhuluma
yeah,
ngo Berita. Angomculo simamelayo.
Wow. But it's great. It's a very, very different from what we are used to, because just like Mlibo said, Tina, you talk about amapiano to us, you talk about Ozongezo. So I want to know, Kausnige, an idea of la senior high school and you taking music seriously. What inspired you at this point with your music?
Okay. Ukuyiqala kwami esikoleni ndiqala ecaweni. Yeah. Ndicawe wisile. So ndiqale apho ukuthanda umculo yabo from amadoda nasewisile. I used to impersonate some of them yabo ndicule, and then I did it at church. Xa ndifike high school iyenziwe yabo. I wanted to find my way ukuba ngaba how do I get into a school choir. Luckily they were scouting at the time. We auditioned and then we made it to be part of a choir. Yeah, so I think through music I am able to find a space of peace and calmness. Yeah. So that is why I never let it go up until now, because in the figure up I wanted to find a place whereby ndizocula khona, because besiyacula kwa drama, but still it didn't have that sense of choral up until I managed to find people who are within the choir. I first joined ama choir, ama Res, Madiba, ndacula nabo, up until I ended up with Idiot Choir. Yes. And yeah, I think that's where everyone who loves choral music should be. Idiot Choir. It's one of the best.
It's one of the best.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
So, and also you mentioned about you are a qualified musician or singer.
Yes, singer.
Do you have like an album or?
No, I don't. I'd be lying if I did so.
Or just.
So you haven't
qualified
released music?
No, I have not.
Are you planning to release music?
I am not planning to release music. Not anytime soon.
Okay.
I love the designation of being recognized as an actor. Because when there's something else on the side, Abanbazan does maybe as a musician, not only as an actor. And it's easy to appear as an influencer when you come into acting while you are known for something else.
For something else, yes.
So Abantu tend to misinterpret or misunderstand why is it now on TV? Simply because okay, it's part of the package, am influencers or whatever, content creators. Yes.
Okay. And are you devoted like to church?
I am.
Devoted how?
Devoted.
Yeah, because to what extent?
By extent.
By extent, I mean, ulandela yonke into like enjeselwe like no sex before marriage type of thing.
Oh no, that thing. No. I am not that. If devoted, I am not that devoted.
But you believe.
Yes, mna ndizawuthini ndiyakhonza. Yeah, yabona ndinothixo wami ndimkhonzayo. Andenzi into okuba isenziwa ngabanye abantu. Yeah, so injalo nje.
Yeah, and also talk like you're still young for like to give your. Okay, I have nothing against the church.
I was about to say, you are judging people who are.
No, I have nothing against the church. I'm not being but he's still young, bro. Like uzongena industry, yabo. So uzoba musician, bro. Like enjoy life to the full, dog. Like. Fuck around,
what enjoyment
I'll be an actor, not a musician. I am an actor. Yes, sure. I am an actor. I will not be. I am an actor. Yes,
an actor.
Yeah.
So sorry, just to add a submission. When did you realize that you have the passion for acting? At what age?
At what age? Andisakhumbuli exactly the age, but kwakuko I used to watch a story okuthiwa Ingqumbo Yeminyanya. It's a it's a closer. It was a closer series. Efana into Ilembe, because yes, it's set in that time and generation. So seeing abantu abadala bayenza lanto, it made me ask myself, bangaba abantu bayithetha uhlobo lento bayifundile okanye bavele babizwa nje laleni kwathiwa imasokwenza into lolu hlobo. And then I also grew up watching oMadlanduna. Ndazobona utata uNansika, uMenzi Ngubane, the late Menzi Ngubane.
Legend.
Yes. Engucijimbi, ndazombona kubambo lwami, yabo. His acting, it motivated me, yabo, into wanting to know more about acting. Kodwa eqale ndandingabuyafundela, yabo. I thought bangaba, okay, you just go somewhere, yabo, bangafika se-Eastern Cape uyeKapa okanye eGauteng, uzawufika uact phayana, yabo. Only to find out bangaba you have to go to school for that, yabo.
I was about to ask you, Londo. So Eastern Cape, I'm from Eastern Cape. Drama, creative arts, ayikho nje so.
Yes, ayithathelwa ngqalelo ndifuna uxoxa i-arts e-Eastern Cape ayithathelwa ngqalelo apho ndisuka khona. But
No, everywhere.
In
Eastern
general,
Cape.
I can
You can
testify
attest,
on
yes,
that.
yes. So it was tricky, yabo, in a way, because iloo nto ndandifuna uyenza ndifuna uact, yabo, and nasekhaya kuthiwa ubone ndifuna uactor.
And I was going to come there. Uba usuka kowenu, you are leaving uthi uyo actor. How is that conversation?
Ukuthiwa ufuna babengayazi ukuthi qaleni ndithetha ngayo, babengayazi andifuna uxoka kuthiwa no man ayikho lento ifunayo wena, yabo.
Yeah.
And ekhaya ndim umuntu oqala ukufika at varsity level, so abanye babo bebesebenza ndiyabula futhi kwi-construction companies, so bebenga-understand efonini uyo actor. Ndithi mna ewe ndifuna uactor, kuthiwa okay cool, hayi sizawubona bangahamba iyaphi le nto yakho, yabo.
Yeah.
So yeah, after high school I went to Cape Town. Wasn't lucky there kufumaneni isikolo, but I did those 6 months courses, yabo, for work, up until I went to a place called Samora Machel. That's where I saw theater for the first time. Bangabo, wow. Okay, inje Muslim, yabo. And then I wanted to be part of yonke le nto yenziwa phayana, but I couldn't at the time because it was an ongoing production and a cast young. So I only did what we call shadowing, yabo. Xa be-rehearse ndiye ndiyobona babenza njani nani, yabo, up until I applied up at DUT, yabo.
Okay.
And my first audition here was my first time doing a monologue, yabo Minba. It was my first time doing a monologue. Luckily, there is something, there is talent. We can unpack something out of this individual. And and today here I am. But the only person who really believed in me, and the other ones out, maybe she was more informed than the rest of my family, was my late sister.
Alright.
She understood Enkos. She understood me, yabo, more than anyone else, yabo. She would say, no, I'm going to support you. Yes, I understand it, but I believe in you, yabo, I have faith in you. So what any is didn't push out Bangabandi Pambil, it's one of those people in Yazibanga, but they believe in me way before I became who I am today, yes. Way before I created a name for myself. Yabo. And I believe that
Amazing.
So now, like, Kwepi level, theater level, or so part inside the industry.
I'm still in theater. I've had the taste of the industry, television wise, yes. I've worked in few productions, but as a background actor, and sometimes shadowing about directors and seeing how they work. But it's always it's a great environment when you are watching from outside. But I don't know when you are inside.
Sure.
Yes, but from shadowing, I love seeing people craft. I love watching people work. But doing what I love, it makes me feel alive.
Do you think you see yourself in that side, except for a theater? Do you aspire to be in the television scene?
Yes, I do, and I will be.
Oh,
big time.
I like to hear that.
Big time, and I will be big time. I will be big time, and Abeko ready.
Abeko.
Abeko ready.
Yes.
That's nice to hear. Amazing. So ungathi mhlambi you can give us mhlambi a sneak about what actions have you taken in place just nje uba nizondibona.
Okay. So what I'm currently doing now, I'm trying to build a name for myself.
Sure.
Okay.
In theater. But I believe theater and television are one and the same industry.
Yes.
Because once you build a name in theater, it's easy for them to know who you are. Because I believe that it is important in the industry with what have you done?
Yeah, and
Nowadays,
to make friends also.
please, what have you done? So with creating what I'm this world that I'm creating now, I think it will be an advantage for me as a figure in television industry because for creating my own work. Because most of the time I write and I direct my own work. And luckily I'm surrounded by great and talented actors. Whenever I come up with something, they say, we're willing to work. Let's put in the work. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm focused in creating a name for myself, both in writing and directing, acting as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dog, like, ndacinga neba uyabhala. Bra, mna I can't even write ingoma. Imagine dog ubhala a series yonke.
Exactly. It's
So many scripts you wrote today. Like,
I have a lot, but I've only done 3. Yes, I've only done 3 of them. And now I'm currently doing a one-man show. A one-man show that I wrote. I'm directing it and I'm acting it myself. Ngolesihlanu, this coming Friday on the 7th of June. I'm going to perform a courtyard. So
I wanted to ask, I went through your Instagram and I saw about you guys do Ezzy plays a courtyard a lot. How is that, the preparation, the practicing, getting up to Nenzi play? How is the process?
It is fun, it is boring, it is tiring. And from there are days whereby like I'm not feeling like it today. But you have to, especially with schoolwork. Because I've got assignments, I've got tests or maybe or something. And now result. What am I going to do? But because it is what you love, but you don't even deem it as work. You just go there. And once you arrive at the result space, you forget everything. But you become whatever it is that you're supposed to become in that space.
Exactly.
So it's a fun and it's a roller coaster. It's a roller coaster process, but it is very much informative when you pay attention to it. Because each and every day you learn something new. You learn something new from yourself, you learn something new from the next person, and you learn something new from the director.
As someone, for instance, mna ndifundi accounting. So if you're telling me about when the drama, but you're telling me about assignments, I'm like, and then how? Because I for instance, I think you guys go there, you practice for as places, and it's a courtyard theater, you write scripts. So what is it actually that you guys do as a drama student? Nenzani, how is it?
So we've got practical modules, we've got theory on the side.
Okay.
Because in as much as you can be good practically, but you've got to understand the theory side of it. Because understanding theory makes it easy for you to understand the practical side. Because before even doing the practical side, there are techniques that you need to learn. There are things that you need to understand about the basics of acting, how deep you can go, what it means to represent a character, and what it means to present a character. So you've got to understand those njalo, and you learn about the history of acting, the history of theater, and you also learn about contracts. Yes. So it's a balanced equation. But for most people, theory is always boring. Yeah, it's kind of practical.
boring.
And sometimes there are modules that you are doing. Obona banga andiyazi ba ifike kanjani
I feel like we all get that.
yeah, there are those modules obona banga why ifuna ntoni le module ayithethe nge-acting ayihlangene nje noku-actor
But it's there.
but iphayana uyazi ifuna ntoni pha.
You mentioned e-contracts, and we've seen actors who were screwed off by production companies. Awusithini yazifundiswa ezi zinto, they give you an insight of them. What do you think goes wrong? Where do they miss things?
I think ingxaki iqala kwi-agents. Yeah, I think ingxaki iye iqala kwi-agent yakho because you've got to discuss a contract oyinikwayo with your agent.
Yes.
Awukwazi ukuvele usign on the bottom line just because you're happy. And even with agent, you've got to enter an agreement bangaba this is how much you're going to take away from me as a commission fee. Awukwazi ukuthatha i-commission fee that is above 12% or 15%. That is too much. Xa uzathatha 15% from me, i-tax ithatha imali yayo. How much am I going to have?
To be left, okay.
Ndizawuba nantoni? And then with production companies, sadly, I've never signed a contract with any production, so I don't think there's adequate information that I can give out, Londo. But I think it's yenziwa kungabi nalo ulwazi. Yabo ulwazi oluncinci into yenza uba ngaba i-actor lizifumane sengxakini nokusayina i-contract that is not
And
good
also,
for them.
I think it's because bafuni exposure, just to be exposed, to be there.
Uyabo.
Like, hamba kahle for, what's the name of this guy? Youngstana, ne?
Yeah.
Even though singathi uyawaroja ngumapholisa, but namhlanje Youngstana
Is who he is.
Yeah,
Exactly.
so maybe nabo bafuna like la exposure, then xa bekwi-industry, that's only when bafuna, I don't know.
And Mnane, as a person who is seeing the acting industry from the outside, I would say it isn't necessarily like a 9-to-5 job. You get what you get at that time. Sometimes it's quiet.
Yeah.
And mhlambi, don't you think, Landoba, when you see a check right now and you're like, this can take me, this can take me far. Mhlambi, Aban, don't you think, Mhlambi, that you just go crazy? But hey, this is money.
Thinathi ikhona lento yokucinga ngesisu yabo.
Sure.
And then kube khona ukucinga ngengqondo bangaba noma xa ndiyithatha lento ngoku ngomso ezandibeka phi yabo, but xa ulambile uzawuthatha nantoni na yabo. And compromising yourself as an actor, I think it is one of the bad decisions that an actor would make yabo, because once you change, I believe bangaba each and every actor has a certain genre or certain dynamic that they want to take and path in the acting industry. So if when you're going to compromise yourself and change your principles and values just because ulambile ngoku, that is going to affect you in the future. Yes, you might end up doing the same thing over and over, and the industry will flash you out. Imagine I myself at this age that I'm at being cast, let's say, which one of the productions that are huge at the time? Let's say Generations, for example. I think it's one of the huge, the biggest, yes. Let's say I'm cast in Generations, and then I go there for a 6-month contract, and then I die. That means it's finished. I'm never coming back to the production company, which maybe would have been something that I wanted to work with for a long period of time. But once you are dead, just because when Bulambi, you wanted to take that contract, no, I need to find something, I need to eat. And imali ayikho ke acting. Ayikho ngacinga ikhona ayikho imali. Yabo. So, and in as much as ikhona yona but incinci.
Okay.
You've got to understand yourself. You've got to know about ungubani, because once you enter industry for being famous, then you are on the wrong path. Because once you get there for being famous, you will have to maintain that lifestyle. So, and that will lead you into being in debt. Because about my in big time. Because when I ufune ukwanelisa ifans zakho bangaba now and then uza apha you chill, have coffee in the morning, have but bangabe uzoziphilela ubomi bakho nje qhubeke nokuphila ubomi bakho bangabe unxibe isikhinda ungabi nandaba ongabe umuntu uthi because at work that is not you, that is someone else. Yabo?
Okay.
And then what is about be able to differentiate between who you are at work and who you are when you are outside work, because if you want to meet the lifestyle of a character, then uzoba sengxakini, or the lifestyle that people perceive uzaba sengxakini. Yabo? Because ukukhathalela uba ngabantu bazawuthini ngamanye amaxesha kuyingxaki, because umuntu uyazi ingxaki kuye, omnye umuntu akayazi, expect uba ngabe wena ube mhle ngalo lonke ixesha usoloko wonwabile. Asisoloko sonwabe ngalo lonke ixesha. We've got bad days too. Yabo? So yeah, I think it's only about understanding yourself uba ngabe ufuna ntoni and ufuna uyaphi in the long run.
And Ndona, I wanted to ask you about you spoke about taking a character home, ne? Yeah. So then I turn into ithetha about kumele uzazi ba ungubani wena, because like ngoku I'm doing podcast, ne?
Yes.
So I invited some of the people we industry. I'm not going to name drop.
Yes.
But I invited abanye abantu kwi-podcast. But when you look at those people, they had humble beginnings. But ngoku sebezitshela no, if ngiza podcast yakho ndithola into ezinjalo yabo.
Yes.
But when a dog like sisakutexta, then you just came. And une event ezayo just like in few days bonga prepare event yakho, but you are here.
Ile nto nditsho ukuthi bangaba iya ngokuzazi nokubulela yabo each and every chance, because ukudibana kwami nawe namhlanje yabo ungasi siqalo sento enhle. Mhlawumbe next time zawuthi xa undibona uthi bangaba okay but wandenzela into ethile ngexesha elithile ndiyabulela. Ukwenza uthi kuwe ngoku efonini hayibo uphethe emalini ile nto ungibizelana ndixakekile. Yes, sixakeke sonke, but the fact that you made time and decided to consult me out of all the people that you should have consulted, that means there is something that you see in me.
And there's something to share.
Yes, and there is something that to share. So ngamanye amaxesha sibuye singacingi singabantu yabo, sikhokhela izinto bangaba sifuna imali ngamaxesha onke. And once you meet that person in the near future yabo in a higher position than you expect uba ngaba yena understand. Why would they when you did not understand ngexesha bekufana bangaba nikhula nomabili? So yeah, ibuya emva lana bangaba ukhule kanjani, ukhule njani, and what mark do you want to leave ebomini bakho, because asizange uzohlala apha emhlabeni yabo. And I always preach bangaba be kind, try by all means be kind yabo. Yeah.
Hayi umcebo uyayiva.
That's like hits the heart.
It hits the heart, and
also like
true.
Uba kind, it's like ungayiqingi uba kind.
Yes.
Umdali uyabuka vese.
Exactly.
So continue being kind, that's what I appreciate.
Yeah.
I wish abantu bangasibona isimile saka. No, I just hate. Okay, andibazondi but andibathandi man, be honest, andibathandi abantu abazitshela ngayo yabo. So yeah man, siya appreciate ngase like ungangatshintshi uhlale unje yabo.
Ndiyabulela bhuti enkosi.
Because I believe ukuthi ikhona ingane ezobuka the podcast and be inspired by your story and the motivation you've given.
Yeah.
I'm that kid, honestly. I want to lie. I'm quite motivated and inspired at the same time. I'm on theater, and all of that. And I'm wishing is born buy the tickets for the seven. Really, I'm counting for sure.
Be there, but ndiyabulela kakhulu.
So do you think we can see you anytime soon, Tivin?
Ndingathi mna nguThixo waziyo. Yeah, yonke into inexesha layo. Okwami ukuqhubeka nokusebenza and try by all means yabo to keep on pushing. Ndingayeki yabo, because ukulinda ama opportunities kuyingxaki yabo. Linda but ube usenza something. Ungahlala endlini yabo. That is why besithi ngesilungu, if you want opportunities to knock, start building a door.
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah.
Then yeah, what high school, bo ne?
Yeah.
We actor at the same time.
Not in high school. I only sang in high school.
Bo so what else were you doing in high school? Like okay, waba involved in sport or something, or just nje bo boring like about we choir or
No. But in high school I was busy. I played football, chess.
Wow.
I did debate.
Chess.
Yes, I did debate. That is one thing I enjoyed. I didn't know there would be something I would love as much as I loved football. It was debate.
You sound like someone of pansy. How is debate and someone who seems so down to earth like you work together?
A wise person once said to me when I joined the debating team, and then I took that advice that debating is not it's not about how loud you can be, and it's not about your opinions. The only thing that matters with debate are facts.
Yes.
So if you're debating using facts, it doesn't mean how often you speak, but if you only bringing facts to the table, then you'll be effective. So yeah.
oh, okay, since Nimvuma, now someone said to me,
Okay. Smamele.
you don't have to increase your voice, you just have to improve your argument.
Exactly.
But also like school choirs, then actually bege bore high school. School choirs, abantu like we are travel, ne?
Yeah.
And people they fuck around dog with school choirs, ne?
No, unfortunately. Choir is one of the most things that instill discipline in a person.
It takes in.
What kind of choirs were you with? Because
Okay, my bad.
understand.
Bengakhulumi choirs qha like school trips, travel from this place kuleya eTexini amantombazana mane lap dance.
But como escolher sinjani?
Hayi bras.
Phuma esikoleni
Ngiyabuza nini
esinjani?
abani phuma esikoleni esinjani? No.
Asizazi izinto ozithethayo thina.
No, masika ekutheni ngathi siziseyenzi bras yenziwe into esikolweni.
Mhlawumbe sakho.
Esakho.
Uyayivuma akaphikisi.
Akavumi. Umvila nawe ethetha ngediscipline.
Okay, no. Mhlawumbe sisikolo sami esirongo.
So there's a question I forgot to ask like earlier. Ukuthi kokwenu mhlawumbe are you the last born noma khona landela?
Ekhaya, I'm not a last born. Yeah, bakhona abalandela emva kwami. Yeah, there is actually two. Yeah, there's actually two guys.
So, like, what are we now? Are we dating or single available in case there's someone watching
Yes,
and
there's a nice
we ask
lady.
both about who is this handsome guy?
No.
Ungamphiki umuntu wakho.
I would never. I am with someone. Yeah,
Nice.
I love and respect her that much.
Nice.
Yeah.
You want
okay.
ka?
Yes.
Hayi baba kufanele bangaphi?
No, kumele you-one vele.
Why was supposed?
But umbuzo wakho is instilling something else.
No, because for someone like Yena, I mean, who graduates, udlali chess,
Okay.
smart, who actor, singer, amantombazane ayamthanda umuntu oculayo.
Okay.
I think that's one of the reasons girlfriend yami yanilahla enye. Because
Enye.
no.
That type of business bazingabi.
Yeah.
No, I feel like wandlahlela lona. Bayisoloko sithi uba yabo ndiyayithanda indoda eculayo. Oko.
Okay.
Yo.
Nawe uyayithanda thetha inyani.
I don't think so. It doesn't matter.
What
doesn't
matters
matter.
get?
What matters?
That's a story for another day.
No, nyani, bros. Like, what are you looking for, Mjiden?
No, I'm looking for. Guys, I feel like you guys are pushing me into a corner. I feel like Nini Pusha, because you know what I'm going to say. You know what my answer is going to be.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for love. I'm looking for respect. I'm looking for competence financially. But no, man, I'm looking for a partner, best friend. Yeah, but I'm not looking.
Okay. And if you found one again, what would you give?
Nah.
Yes.
I'd give the same. I reciprocate the same energy I'm being given.
Okay.
Yeah.
When what do you look for from your hand?
From a woman.
I'm not looking. I've got someone.
Okay, let's say.
Okay, let me ask. So what you have found in that someone?
Yeah.
What I've found is that they reciprocate the same energy that I give. They are intelligent, brave, resistant, and I also admire their emotional intelligence. It is one of the most things that I think it's pivotal in my relationships. Their support, how they care, and their kind heart, and the love that they have for me. It makes me feel enough.
Wow.
Yeah, there's no greater feeling than knowing that you are enough.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Can we go back to the emotional intelligence? When yourself, talking about yourself, let's me again talking about yourself. How would you rate your emotional intelligence? Because I think this is something that we are facing as females a lot in relationships, is that men are not really in touch with their emotion in terms of expression, reacting to how someone makes you feel and being expressive. So, Wena, how do you think you are?
I'd say I'm not perfect, but I'll rate myself at 7.5.
7.5. Okay, that's solid.
Yeah, I think I'd
That's
rate
solid.
myself at 7.5.
That's solid.
Yeah, I'm still learning as well.
You're still learning.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Would you say you're an expressive person, or you just keep things in and then?
I've always been a stoic person. I've always appeared as someone who's nonchalant, but I then realized how damaging it is and how it's killing me. So I am expressive.
That's nice.
I love expressing myself because
you're an actor.
Besides being an actor, it reveals it relieves me from a lot of trouble, because ukugcina into kuwe ngaphakathi, it causes more damage than good.
Exactly.
Because you end up being angry at someone for something they do not know, that they have done, or you end up have in a space that they are not supposed to be. Whereas you should have communicated with the person. And uzawuthini yena in return, so kubalulekile uthetha ngendlela oziva ngayo, so that you understand each other. Because xa nizawuthula while you're doing something mhlawumbe eniphatha kakubi, or even if it's not you but there is something that had happened osukwini that enganiphathanga kakuhle, funeka ndiyishekelile uba ngaba efondini 1 or 2 happened and then andikho right from that. I'm not expecting you to have an answer or solution, but me talking to you or you just being here for me, it makes me feel better. Because there's nothing I value as someone's presence. Singathetanga. I believe that I personally communicate better in silence. Because my love language, it is physical.
Hey, dog, serious kakhulu ngomjolo.
I wanted to ask Ukuba, I'm sure you've embodied a lot of roles. Is there something that you've taken from a role that you've played onto your life?
Yeah, there is. Last year I did a play. It's a comedy to the art about a guy who convinced himself that he is sick. So I learned the power of mind from that. Because for me to be able to become that person, I had to convince myself that I'm not well. Yabo.
Oh,
So
okay.
the power of the brain, how
Brain.
yes, and then from that he had anger issues. Yabo. And then I discovered that anger is actually torture to yourself for someone who does not care about you. Yabo. So yeah.
umce uyakuvuka useqala ubona umce alright, no, thanks for coming, my G.
It was amazing. It was
We should
amazing.
come again next time, us.
Yeah,
I'll hear from
as a friend of the show, just to conversate, because I feel like there's still a lot we can hear from you. There's still a lot.
But
yeah.
for now, let's play a game, ne?
Okay.
Smash or pass. Ndiyazi uba unomntu wakho, but it's just a game.
Okay. I love the fact that you recognize that I'm someone.
Exactly. Very important.
And also, we want to know about your type yakhe injani, ne? So later material different.
Umuntu wami type yakhe.
Yeah, sinukazi uba
Anyone type yakhe.
I-type yakhe umuntu wapho nje.
Braz, yabona ndenze ngathi mna ndinguloo mntu uyilondo.
No, we said it's a game. So must
You said it's a game.
So ndizobiza abantu abayi-2 ne, or one ihamba kanjani ndibiza umuntu oyi-1 then yatsho uba smash or pass.
Okay.
Like uMinnie Dlamini, would you smash or
Pass.
Minnie Dlamini?
Pass.
Kaloku ingabe ungathi yewe na smash ayithi loo nto uba naye makathi smash.
Oh, okay, uTyler.
Oh, Styler.
What?
Oh, make me.
Yeah.
Oh, pass.
Hayi, ndibize umuntu othiki.
Tulipongolo.
Pass.
Yeah.
Too scandalous.
Too scandalous.
Who else? Miss Uzozibini, yes. Smash.
Aye, pass.
Aye. I think
Tusombedu.
when's the league girlfriend?
No,
Yeah.
I'm
Nakumye tusombedu.
Smash.
on a good day.
On a good.
On a good day. I'd smash. Yes.
Yeah, at least Melo smash it.
Who else?
Number one.
No, we won. Kuba ndiyazi no smash it. Guess CN Bush.
Why did I feel Muzo to see in Bush?
Oh, because now it's smash it every day. And twice on Sunday.
Exactly, that's what I
She's a very scandalous influencer way too.
No, I don't know.
Bad
Very
DJ in the industry.
I don't know her.
No,
I feel like that's very good that you don't know her.
Why?
No, it's
Is she
very
that
good.
bad?
You should, yeah. It's good.
I
You know,
wasn't
let me
saying
not
after-
instill anything.
after
Wow.
now, you search Instagram, CN Bush.
I don't do that. And not look like I'm from
No, and you're not active with
The man
social
is focused.
media.
On my social, I'm not that much into social media. I hardly shares and then but I've got a good fan base and a huge following, but I'm not that invested in social
In
media.
it,
Yes.
okay.
Sure. Then, bakuthola kanjani? How do they get you?
Oh, on my Instagram, it's at Kumgani. It's at official Kumgani. Official_Kumgani, yes. On TikTok, at Kumgani_Mjila. On Facebook, it's Zamo Mjila. Yeah.
All right. I know. And please, guys.
Wait, before we close, could you please give us the word of the day?
Word of the day.
Yeah.
Word of the day.
Word of the day. Learn when to say no. Do not blame yourself for things that you cannot control. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And yeah, we out, bros. Now.
Yeah,
Thank
please,
you.
shout out to the place that sponsored us.
Yeah.
It's Country Bake.
Country Bake
can-
We are at Country Bake at Musgrave. If you are a person who loves art, who loves nice sceneries, it's a very amazing cafe. Amazing food also.
Yeah.
Come check it out. It's amazing. It's at Musgrave, right up Musgrave Center. Nice vibes.
That's for sure.
Yeah, we out of here.
Thank you.
Peace.